Hi, I am Nikun Sundagar. I am licensed civil engineer practicing structural engineering in India. My firm located at Ahmedabad and we are working on different projects across India. Why do we need to create a grid system in Etabs? A grid system allows engineers to create a precise and efficient framework for designing and analyzing buildings. Our main topic is to how to hide and show the grid system in Etabs. First on screen you can see the grid line in plan view and in 3D view. Now let's hide and show the grid lines in plan and 3D view. Go to the view menu, select set grid system visibility from the drop down menu. To hide a grid system, click on set grid system visibility. To show a grid system, again click on set grid system visibility. Again go to the view menu, select set grid system visibility from the drop down menu. There are one more shortcut to show and hide the grid system visibility. Just a simple right click on set grid system visibility. If you want to hide from 3D view, again right click and click on set grid system visibility. If you want to show the grid system visibility, right click set grid system visibility in a plan view and in a 3D view. Thank you for the watching guys.